Let me ask you a question. Are you constantly bothered by the fear of what others think about you? Yes, then keep watching this video. Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the online life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. In this video, I want to help you to overcome the fear of what others think. You can start by saying some positive statements to yourself. For example, I love myself and I accept myself the way I am. What I think of myself is more important than what others think of me. No matter what others say and do, I am still a worthwhile person. Next, you can make a list of your good qualities and then you paste it somewhere where you can see it and read it every day. Use your body in positive ways. The way you use your body actually affects the way you feel inside. When you make a mistake, you tell yourself, so what, I made a mistake. I still love myself. Do something that you would normally not do. And when you do this, you will be able to overcome the fear of what others think. For example, you could go to work with 2 different colored socks. And when you are sitting with people, you could make an attempt to let them see those 2 different colored socks, and I'm sure somebody would comment on it and somebody would laugh at it, and you just very coolly say, oh, I made a mistake. Or you could go to work wearing dresses which don't match at all. Normally we wear things that match, and this would be especially for ladies. And if anybody comments, you say, well, I felt like wearing this, or yeah, it doesn't match. It's okay. So try this. You could even suggest an idea during brainstorming at work. You could try saying no to a boss. You could speak out, whenever you disagree with something what is being said. And every time you do this, you will be overcoming the fear of what others think. The sooner you overcome this fear of what others think, new doors will open for you, new breakthroughs will happen for you, new possibilities will open up for you. And your life will move to a completely new level. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.